Hello and welcome to this course where we will discuss about ChatGPT. My name is Clauddio Ivan and I am an entrepreneur, author and trainer. Understanding artificial intelligence from the beginning can be complicated for someone who is just now testing it. Although this technology has been around for decades, many people still do not fully understand what this term means and how it can be used in everyday life. That is precisely why, at the beginning of the journey, it is better to invest time in understanding this new technology such as ChatGPT, so that later you can make decisions firmly and with knowledge of the cause. First of all, I want to congratulate you for your courage but also for your curiosity. You will see that using this course, you will be able to understand from scratch everything related to ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, fully understanding every aspect when it comes to using these programs to make your life easier. Now, who is this course for? Anyone who wants to learn about how ChatGPT works. Anyone who is interested in creating a source of passive income. Anyone who is interested in creating their own content using AI. And anyone who wants to understand how artificial intelligence works. The course is created as explicit and simple as possible to better understand everything. I will explain and show you what you need to do step by step to understand each lesson as well as possible. If you are in one of these lines, this course is right for you. Things you will learn in this course. What is ChatGPT and how does it work? I have prepared for you some important lessons to understand from the beginning the benefits you can have when you use artificial intelligence in your everyday life. Even if most people are skeptical and consider that this movement is just a passing trend, in the end, they will end up using applications or programs that use AI. In these first lessons, we will lay the foundations of your new information. You will learn what are the advantages and disadvantages of AI, establishing from the beginning what are the benefits but also the things that can go wrong. You can set a clear barrier in your mind when most applications will use this technology. It is very important to understand everything from the beginning to know what suits you and what doesn't. We will also discuss the limitations and possibilities of ChatGPT. We will create together the first materials written entirely by artificial intelligence. We will create a passive income using those materials, but also a lot of other applications that already use AI and which we will talk about in the fourth section. This course is a complete one, helping you go through every step from mindset and expectations to the first requirements for ChatGPT to solve various problems. Using both practical and theoretical lessons, this course will help you understand everything about ChatGPT, having absolutely all the materials at hand to be up to date with the information. Now, let's move on to the course structure. The course is divided into 6 sections. In the first section, you will learn theoretical things that will help you better understand ChatGPT and how it works. We will focus on the advantages and disadvantages of technology, on its benefits but also on its limitations, going through each industry to understand whether or not we will be replaced by robots. After building a solid foundation in the first part of this course, in the third section we will make the first moves, actually asking for things, developing materials for different industries, learning from scratch ways to formulate questions to get the best answers. In the section 4, 5 and 6, we will actually go through each step, playing with different platforms that use AI, learning how to generate images from text, how to transform our text into voice, how to create unique avatars, and many other secrets that you can only find in these chapters. Let's see now what things you will need to get started. Internet access, a phone or laptop to follow this course. No experience or understanding of ChatGPT or AI is required. This course starts from the basics. And you do not need materials or other tools. And what you will receive? Lifetime access to the course. Access the course from any online device. Even if you have a phone, a tablet, a computer, you will be able to access the course from all devices. You will receive clear explanations to make learning and studying easier. You will have my full support for every question or issue. I will answer your questions as soon as I can. And you have a 30-day money-back guarantee by Udemy. You have no risk. Try it, and if you don't like the course, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Thinking, enroll up today and learn everything you need to know about ChatGPT. Let's get started! Hello and welcome to this lesson. I'm very excited to introduce you to the purpose of the course and why I created it. Over the years, people have dreamed of creating machines that are as intelligent as they are. This dream has become a reality with the development of artificial intelligence. Among the current innovations is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an intelligent language model trained on a huge amount of text that can be used to answer questions, generate text, or even create new content. Thus, by creating this course, I want to make aware those who are interested in such technologies but who do not know where to start. So, in this course, I will discuss ChatGPT, your new virtual assistant that can solve a large part of your problem, even helping you create value for others. Now, let me point out some concrete purposes for which I created this course. The first, but also the most important purpose is that you will learn from zero how ChatGPT works. We will discuss in this course how important it is to give up the old mentality where only a human being can help you. Another purpose would be to learn what are the limitations and possibilities of such a technology. Before actually starting to test ChatGPT, it is important to know exactly how it works and what are its limitations. The third purpose is that you will learn how to combine ChatGPT with various programs that use artificial intelligence to generate passive income. When it comes to creating materials or content for your online business, ChatGPT can be an extraordinary solution if you know from the beginning which other platforms to use with. Another purpose is that you will learn how to create your own books, either digital or physical, in order to sell them online. Using ChatGPT, you can fully create books to generate an extra income without much hassle. Another purpose would be to learn how to use artificial intelligence to benefit from the advantages of this technology. A lot of people think that this is just a trend that will pass as quickly as it came, but the reality is that a lot of people are discovering that AI can do an excellent job saving a lot of time. And finally, you will learn how to get the most out of using ChatGPT. Although it is a simple language model, in order to get the correct answers, you will need to use certain shortcuts. Of course, there are many other purposes, but the most important thing is that with this course, I will help you understand how ChatGPT works, laying a solid foundation of information for the beginning of your adventure. This course is the best way to start understanding from the beginning how you can use artificial intelligence, namely ChatGPT, to your advantage. Stop thinking and roll up today and learn everything you need to know about ChatGPT. Let's get started!